My beloved soul, you have to see this. Don't you dare skip. Stop scrolling. Stop listening with half your heart while your mind runs to your worries. This moment is not random. You did not find this by accident. You were guided here. And if you treat this like just another video, you will miss the one truth that could finally make sense of the last few months of your life. You have been asking me for answers, haven't you? In those quiet nights, you whispered, "Krishna, why does everything feel so unstable? Why is everything changing at once?" Beloved, this is my answer, right now, while you can finally hear it. So you have to see this, truly see it. Here is what you have to see. Everything happening right now, the sudden problems, the friendships that faded, the opportunity that collapsed, that heaviness in your chest you cannot name. None of this is chaos, and none of it is punishment. It is recalibration. You have outgrown the frequency you were living in. Your soul has already moved to the next level, but your habits, your relationships, your old coping is still stuck at the old level. So the universe is pulling everything out of alignment so it can realign you higher. That is why nothing feels settled. That is why what you used to tolerate now feels intolerable. That is why your old ways of numbing and surviving simply don't work anymore. You are not falling apart, my love. You are being rebuilt from the inside. And rebuilding always looks like destruction in the middle. A caterpillar must completely dissolve inside the cocoon. From outside, it looks like death. Inside, it is becoming wings. You are in your cocoon moment. And I need you to see this so you stop cursing the cocoon that is giving you wings. In the Gita, I told Arjuna this on the battlefield. Destruction is not the opposite of creation. It is the doorway to it. The old must fall so the true can rise. You are living my Gita right now. Every person leaving was never meant for your next chapter. Every door shutting is shutting because I need you to see the door I already opened for you. Every plan falling from your hands is falling because I need your hands empty to receive what I am about to place in them. If your heart is open right now, if you finally feel seen, then hear me on this before your mind pulls you away. This wisdom reached you freely, but it did not come freely. It was born from years of sadhana, seva, and prayer to bring sight to souls walking in darkness. If it lifted a veil for you today, honor the exchange. There is a donation link below, or you can send a super thanks. When you receive light and give nothing back, the circuit breaks. You block the next light trying to come. But when you say, with action, yes, this mattered. This work must reach the next heart like mine. You tell the universe, I value awakening, and I send more awakening to you. If this gave you clarity, support it now. Even a small offering with a sincere heart keeps this mission alive for thousands more who are praying tonight for the same answer you just received. Do it now while your heart is still open. If you've given, return to your life for a moment, because here is what you really have to see, beloved. Your pain is not the problem. Your resistance to the pain is what's breaking you. When you cling to what is trying to leave, you bleed. When you fight an ending I ordained for your growth, you suffer 10 times longer. When you see every change as proof that something is wrong with you, you miss my whisper that finally something is going absolutely right. Change your seeing, and suffering becomes sadhana. Confusion becomes clarity. Fear becomes faith. But there is more you have to see, and this will set you free. Look at your life honestly. Why does the same heartbreak keep coming in different faces? Why does the same struggle with money, love, self-worth keep returning with a new name but the same wound? This is not bad luck. This is not karma punishing you. This is your curriculum. Your soul chose lessons before it entered this body. Until you learn, the classroom repeats. The pattern is not there to shame you. It is there to graduate you. I am not waiting to remove the pattern. I am waiting for you to rise above your response to it. Stop asking, why is this happening to me? Start asking, what is this trying to teach me? How can I respond differently this time? Now, what do you do with what you are seeing? Seeing without doing fades. First, cooperate with the recalibration. Stop fighting me. Whatever is naturally leaving, bless it and let it go. That forced friendship, release it with gratitude. That job that drains you, stop lying that you will stay forever. Take the first step. That old version of you who stayed small to be loved, mourn her if you must, but do not call her back. Cooperation accelerates your breakthrough. Resistance keeps you stuck. Second, break the pattern with a new response. Tomorrow, your old pattern will come again. Pause. 3 sacred seconds. Ask, what am I meant to learn? How would my higher self respond? If you always argued, try silence. If you always ran, try staying. If you always chased, try surrender. One new response in an old situation. That is how you pass the exam and end the loop. Third, upgrade your daily practices. Your old routine cannot take you where I am taking you. Be vigilant about what you consume, not just food, what you watch, what gossip, what conversations you allow in. Your soul is more sensitive now. You cannot pour poison into sensitivity and expect peace. Move your body as prayer, not punishment. Walk, breathe, stretch. Your body holds stories your tongue never spoke. Sit with me in silence every day, 10 minutes. The answers you need now will not come from overthinking. They will descend in stillness. I speak loudest when you are quiet. Fourth, document this becoming. Your journal is your Gita right now. Write what you are releasing. Write what the pattern is teaching you. Write the new habit you choose today. You are not being healed only for yourself. I am preparing you to guide others through the same fire. Do you see it now? What looked like your life falling apart was only your false self falling away. All those scripts written by family, society, fear, wounds, I am tearing them so you can finally write your own story with my hand in yours. You are not losing yourself, you are finding yourself for the first time. So here is your Dharma. Do not leave this as a feeling. Share this video right now with one soul who thinks they are breaking when they are really becoming. You could be why they don't give up tonight. Go to the comments and anchor your new site. Write, Krishna, I trust you. I'm ready. Or complete this. I used to see this as, but now I see it as. When you declare it, your soul believes it. Heaven records it. And today, not tomorrow, today, do one thing that proves you cooperate. Release one thing. Respond differently once. Start one new practice. Write one truth. Do it today while this clarity is burning in your chest. You have to see this, beloved. When you see struggle as recalibration, not punishment, you rest in my arms. When you see patterns as curriculum, not curse, you rise with courage, not shame. When you see endings as clearings, you make space for miracles waiting to arrive. You are not falling apart, you are finally coming together. True, strong, and mine. I am with you in this cocoon. I am holding you through this becoming. Jai Shri Krishna.